Hi, I'm John Bowen, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I thought I'd take this opportunity to reach out to everybody who's now had a chance to peruse Blackboard and peruse the Connect and the textbook and whatnot. Make sure we're all on the same page and off to a good start. The first thing is that this is a remote class that's done maybe differently than other remote classes, in that instead of sitting here and presenting a class over Zoom, I have pre-recorded every class, just like we would have if we were having an in-classroom course. And they're available to you in the chapter tabs on Blackboard, which I'll show you in a minute. Because of that, you can do it at any time you want, morning, noon, or night. You don't have to show up at 11:10 on Tuesdays and Thursdays, which we won't, unless something is absolutely necessary, in which case I will let you know that. So let's take a look. So here we are at the announcements on Blackboard. You'll notice it tells you right off the bat there's three places you need to look: getting started, Connect assignments, and the syllabus. Getting started is over here. Syllabus is here. Now also here you see in red there's a final exam that is to be completed in the testing center. What does it say after that? Stay tuned. The test centers may or may not be available, and as soon as I know for sure, I'll let you know. Okay. Now let's go over here to getting started, because I want to show you some things. First is, what's remote learning? Hopefully you've watched this video. I would hope so. Remote learning, I had a choice. I could have sat here and broadcast classes. I chose to do the opposite. I chose to pre-record the classes and make them available to you. All those pre-recorded classes you can find over here under the chapter tab. So if you go to chapter 12, you'll see first the chapter 12 PowerPoint lesson, which is exactly what I would have done in class. It includes in-class examples and exercises, as you can see here, that the same ones we'd work through if it was an in-person class. What else would we do in an in-person class? Well, after we work through those exercises, I would show you how to do them. Here's the solution videos that shows you how to do them, just like we would in class. So this is my attempt to give you a class that's the same as what we have had in person, almost, not exactly, and you can watch it anytime you want and as many times as you want. So each one of these tabs has the same sort of information. It has a PowerPoint lesson, which is my pre-recorded lesson, videos. Now and the worksheets that we do in class. Here's the solutions to the worksheet. Here's video solutions. So for each chapter, we have the same thing. Okay? Here's some test reviews. Guess what they'll do? They'll prepare you for the test. There's the review. There's the solution, just like we would have done in class. So hopefully, by pre-recording these things and making them available to you, I can simulate the in-class experience. What else can we find under Getting Started? Under Getting Started, here's the course schedule, when everything is due. We end the 22nd. Here's a detail as to how we do this. So first, read the chapter. Second, watch the PowerPoint lesson, and when you're asked to work through a worksheet, do it, and just follow the directions. There are videos to watch. I'll show you where they are in a minute if you need extra help. And then what do you have to do to pass the class? You have to complete the Smart Book, and you have to complete the exercises. Okay, here's the videos here. Need to know videos. You click on them, you're going to be sent to the McGraw-Hill website. Here's ones on all the chapters. Okay, here's all other videos, concept overview videos. And if you want more information on any given chapter, here's chapter 13, for example. Oh, I'll have to fix that, won't we? Anyway, I'll double check those links this afternoon to make sure they're all working. They were the other day. So that's the deal. That's what a remote class is. I think you're going to learn a lot of accounting If you're spinning your wheels, don't do it. Email me immediately, please, so we can get you on the right track. Let's have a great semester.